to just raise the issue of who's a Hindu hater, who's a Hindu baiter, and who's, trying to get votes from which vote bank?
Good evening, Navika. Look, I've said this before and let me say it again. Arvind Kejriwal is Chhota Modi outside, Bada Owaisi inside. He wants Hindu gods and goddesses on our currency. But Molly Coddles is leader who denigrates Hindu gods and goddesses and makes him one of the in charge of party's crucial election activity. Let me give you just a few other examples. It will be crystal clear. He recently called a film depicting Kashmiri Hindu genocide as jhooti. His government fought for years legally to oppose regularization of Kashmiri Hindu teachers. He didn't want the Ram Mandir to be built, saying his nani would never have approved. He shared a cartoon that depicted Lord Hanuman setting fire to JNU, and he's saying he's Hanuman Bhakt. He tweeted an image where a man with his party symbol is chasing away a swastika symbol. He backed his minister who called for attacks on Kafirs and prepared the anti-Hindu Delhi riots. But then again, we have seen this all before for years, haven't we, Navika? The communal bigotry by politicians that I condemn across the board. And when it is done by every politician or leader cutting across party lines, these fake activists and politicians and usual suspects in the media only highlight the cases selectively. They never outrage on the BSP selecting a candidate, a man who offered 51 crores to anyone who beheaded Charlie Hebdo journalists. Or when Mehbooba Mufti selects a rape accused as a candidate or condoles the death of Wani the terrorist. Or when the ex-vice president presents an award to the PFI chief. Or when the rape accused bishop is welcomed on the streets of Jalandhar by the church officials. Or when a Congress MLA says he won't work for Dalits as they didn't vote for him. Or when Congress Harish Rawat says those who kill a cow have no right to live in India. Or when an SP legislator slaps a woman entering Haji Ali. Or when Congress legislators demand hanging of Kamlesh Tiwari. Or when Yasin Malik is celebrated by Manmohan Singh. Or when Congress leader Nilay Kannan laments why Modi and Shah have not yet been killed. Or when CM Stalin felicitates the man convicted in Rajiv Gandhi assassination. Or when tens of thousands collect for funerals of terrorists. Then it is not mainstreaming of violence. मैं करूं तो रासलीला, तुम करो तो कैरेक्टर ढीला.
ये तो मैं कहने वाला था अभी. I was about to say it.
No.
Navika, can I respond, please?
No,
can
no.
I respond?
आप क्या कह रहे हैं कि कंपटीशन है, कंपटीशन है, सबके बीच में कंपटीशन है, और क्योंकि कंपटीशन है और क्योंकि कंपटीशन है तो सबके लिए सब कुछ जायज है. It's legitimate for everybody.
Navika, can I please respond?
Because but you will not mention about the BJP.
Anand, now the charge is you have spoken about every political party but not the BJP.
और ठर्रे में हनुमान वो कौन सी पार्टी के थे? वो बलिराम भगत वहाँ पे जो सरस्वती और हाँ 1 मिनट आनंद अभी मुझे भी तो 30 सेकंड दे दो. वो जो बलिराम भगत जी हल्द्वानी में सबको पटा रहे थे देवी देवताओं को, उनके बारे में कुछ नहीं कहा आपने.
चलिए,
एमएलए
की
बात की.
डॉक्टर आनंद रंगनाथन, respond. Why are you sparing the BJP? Says Ravi Srivastava. Respond to him.
Talk about everybody.
There is a reason
why don't you talk about everybody?
Now, Ravi ji, this is very unfair. You know I respect.
Why unfair? You don't talk about BJP at all. You talk about all parties, but don't talk about BJP. Why? This is discriminatory.
मुझे लगता था कि इनकी आंखों में प्रॉब्लम है, ये तो कानों में भी प्रॉब्लम है. ईएनटी को दिखाना पड़ेगा, ये सुन ही नहीं पा रहे हैं. I started by saying that I could not.
Doctor suggest करो.
One minute, Ravi Srivastava, I'm lowering your fader. Dr. Anand Ranganathan, complete your point. 30 seconds.
Yes, Navika, everyone else heard it. Your viewers heard it. You heard it. I started off by saying that I have always condemned any communal bigotry expressed by any politician cutting across party lines. इसका क्या मतलब है? रवि जी को समझाना पड़ेगा.
लेकिन आपने एग्जाम्पल नहीं दिया बीजेपी का. उनका ऑब्जेक्शन इस बात से है कि आपने एग्जाम्पल बाकी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के दिए, बीजेपी का एग्जाम्पल आपकी उंगलियों पर शायद नहीं है.
क्योंकि मैं इनकी हिपोक्रेसी को आउट कर रहा था. अगर बीजेपी ने कुछ बोला होता, मैं आई वाज द फर्स्ट वन हु कंडेम्ड द गार्लैंडिंग ऑफ दोस पीपल, क्रिमिनल्स, द 11 लिंचर्स इन झारखंड. आई वाज द फर्स्ट. आप अपना खुद देख लीजिए, हर बार जब भी कुछ होता है आई एम द फर्स्ट वन टू कंडेम एनी अक्रॉस. इसमें तो कोई दोहराई नहीं है. The reason why I gave you all those 10 examples, Navika, was to expose the hypocrisy of people like Ravi Srivastava, who say that we also condemn everyone across the board. No, they don't. All those 10 examples, not even once has Ravi Srivastava condemned BSP selecting a candidate who said 51 crore दूंगा अगर आप Charlie Hebdo.
Absolutely.